Hi Lyrical 5, last videos. Woo! In this video we're going to review our alternate choreography. So the first thing that changes is our beginning pose. It's still the same pose, it's just spread out and we don't touch each other. The next thing is Jaylene's lift is now shifted into an ocean wave. And Emma's lift is now everybody does this push through. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly review that. Okay, so on Jaylene's side of the stage, Caitlin with a K, you're facing back on one knee. This is upstage. You reach, and then we're all bringing it in. I made that slight change. And then you're gonna step up to do your run around. Then, Fiona C, you're facing the front, weight on your right foot, bring it down and then you can run. Fiona L, facing the front, arms stretched, and down and then run. Jaylene facing the back on your left foot, then run. And Brianna on your knee. Boom. And then you can get up and go. The idea is that you're kind of in that order but kind of staggered. And it should be kind of like a wave starting from this side, but that travels across the group. Please try to remember those kind of formation notes because I may or may not be there to actually set it on you. And if you have a sub, they're gonna not have any. Hopefully she'll watch this video, but just you kind of be present and know what's happening, okay? So it should be kind of like, let's do Caitlin, Fiona C, Fiona L, Jaylene, Brianna. And it doesn't have to be like perfectly two lines, but it's kind of like a little staggered like that. Okay, cool. Emma's lift. We all push through and down. Emma keeps going up, and then let that carry you forward as you begin to run. Again, within this group, it should kind of ripple across. In terms of a formation for you guys, it can be similar to where you already were to do that lift. So kind of like clumpy, but definitely Emma will be at the corner point. Okay. Next thing that's changed is Fiona C's lift. So Kaylin, Jaylene, and Fiona L, you're going to hitch on 5, 6, step through 7, 8, brush back 1, 2. Okay, and then Fiona C. Okay, I think that the forward roll though is a really cool skill to have. I think it's not going to look as good in this situation, and I really want to highlight you, and you have such a nice saute. So I think what I want you to do is you're going to do that pitch 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and let's do your you're going to jump and do your seesaw, and let's do arms down and back. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8, and up. Can you do it without stepping together? 5, 6, 7, 8, and up. So you're kind of switching a little bit. Try to make it nice and high, big split. I know you have that. Yeah? Okay, and then The last part is the straight line where we just spread out a little more. If you're facing the front, you go with your hand in mine. Reach forward. I'm running out of space. Meet me under, scoot back, neath the Oklahoma sky. Boom, boom. This whole thing. Boom, back. If you're facing the back, me with your hand in mine. Sit. Meet me underneath the Oklahoma. Nope, sorry. Home. Right arm on top in the sky. And reach around. Slide. Tuck, stand up. Okay. I think that is it. And then, in terms of an ending pose, we'll all be doing a variation of this. If you ended kind of in the front, you did the slide to the ground, roll, stand up. We're gonna make not a clump because we're just gonna keep distance, but we'll kind of come together and make a sort of formation. And if we're in the front, we can be like this. And if we're a little farther back, like this. And if we're standing, like this. Okay, so we'll have to actually set that when we get back in the fall. But if I'm not there, just know low, medium, high. Okay? All right, so that's your alternate choreo review. In the next video, we'll run the dance with that alternate choreography. Okay.